school day is over, children.
Yay! I am so happy!
Did you have a good day, Leo?
Yes, Miss Rabbit. I had a very good day.
Oh, what did you do today?
I painted a picture. Look at my picture. Wow! It is a beautiful picture. It is a picture of my dad and me.
Your dad will like it very much.
I will give it to my dad. He is coming soon.
Let's put the picture in your bag.
Okay, I will put it in my bag.
I am ready. I am ready to go home. It is time to go outside. I will wait for my dad at the gate. My dad drives a big red car. That is nice. We will wait here. Oh! What is that big sound?
That is thunder, Leo.
Look at the sky. It is dark. Yes, it is raining. It is raining hard.
Bye, puppy. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Leo. My grandpa is here. I do not like the rain. The rain is cold. Bye, Leo. My mom is here.
Bye, Bunny. Everyone is going home. You will go home soon, too.
Yes. My dad will come soon.
I am driving my car. I am going to school. I will pick up Leo.
Oh no, the rain is very heavy. What is wrong? The car stopped.
Move, car. Please move. The car is broken. The car will not start.
This is very bad. Leo is waiting for me. I must call the school. Oh no. My phone is dead. The screen is black. I cannot call Leo. I cannot call the teacher. Leo will be scared. I must go to Leo. I will walk. No, I will run. The rain is very wet, but I must run.
I am still waiting.
It is getting late, Leo.
Where is my dad? Where is his red car?
Maybe the rain makes the cars go slow.
Let's call my dad. Please call him.
Okay, I will call his phone.
He is not answering. His phone is off.
His phone is off? Yes. Do not worry. He is coming.
No, he is not coming.
He forgot me. My dad forgot me.
No, Leo. Dads do not forget their children.
Yes, he did. He does not like the rain. He stayed at home. He forgot his little kitten. I am very sad.
Oh, Leo, please do not cry.
I am the only one here. The school is empty.
I want to go home. I want my dad.
I know you are sad. Let's wait inside.
No, I want to wait here. I am sad and I am angry.
It is not nice to forget me.
I am running fast. The wind is strong. The rain is cold.
Oh no! I stepped in a big puddle. My shoes are wet. My pants are dirty.
I am very tired. My legs hurt. But I cannot stop. I cannot rest.
Leo is waiting. Leo is crying, maybe. I love my son. I must run faster.
The rain is not stopping.
Look, Leo. Look down the street.
I do not want to look. I am angry.
I see a man. He is running very fast. Running? In the rain? Yes. He is running to the school.
That is not my dad. My dad has a red car.
Leo! Leo! That voice! It is my dad! Leo! I am here! I am finally here!
Dad! You are here. But look at you. You are very wet.
You are very dirty, Mr. Tom.
I am sorry, Leo. I am very late.
I was angry, Dad. I thought you forgot me. I thought you stayed at home.
Oh, my sweet kitten. I am so sorry. I will never forget you. Never.
Then why are you late? Where is the car?
The car is broken. It stopped on the road.
The car is broken?
Yes, I could not drive, and my phone was dead.
How did you come here?
I ran all the way here.
You ran in the cold rain?
Yes, I ran in the rain for you.
You are very wet and tired.
It is okay. You are safe. That is important.
Dad, I am sorry.
Why are you sorry, Leo?
I was angry at you. I misunderstood you. I thought you did not love me.
It is okay to be scared. But remember this. I always love you. I will do anything for you.
You are the best dad in the world.
Yes, Miss Rabbit. I am happy now.
Wait. I have a present for you, Dad.
A present for me? What is it?
It is a picture. I painted it today. Look at this. It is you and me.
It is a beautiful picture. Thank you, Leo.
You are welcome, Dad. Let's go home now.
Let's walk home together. I have a big umbrella for us.
I will hold your hand, Dad.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
Goodbye, Leo. Goodbye, Mr. Tom. Bye, Miss Rabbit.